Science, chapter number 4th, Nutrition in Living Organism. In this, our next point, autotrophic plants. How do plants produce their own food? How the plants produce their own food? With the help of sunlight. And the process of making food, that process is called as a photosynthesis. Plants also need food for their growth. Animals need food for their growth. Plants also need food for their growth. They can produce their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants make their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called as a photosynthesis. Chlorophylls Chlorophylls are present in leaves. That's why leaves get green color. If chlorophyll is not present, the means chlorophyll is absent in leaves, the process of photosynthesis will not form. Chlorophyll is a important characteristics or important part of photosynthesis process. With the help of sunlight, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, means chlorophyll inside a leaves, plants make their own food there with their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide. Means water, minerals and salt from a soil they absorb, and the carbon dioxide present in air. This process is called as a photosynthesis. Now see, sunlight, carbon dioxide is present in air, chlorophyll in leaves, water, minerals and salt absorbed from a soil. When trees making their food, means photosynthesis process is going on, that time oxygen is going out. Oxygen is leaves oxygen. Now see, here reaction is given. Carbon dioxide, the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2 plus water. Formula of water is H2O. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. How they are making food? With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Food means glucose and oxygen will form. The formula of glucose 6,6H12O6 plus oxygen formula is O2. Now see, this reaction is balanced. Carbon is how many? 6. See, here 6 carbon is there. Oxygen 6 multiplied by 2 means 12 oxygen, and plus here 6 oxygen is there. 12 plus 6 means total 18 oxygen. See, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 6, 18 oxygen is there. Now what is remaining? Hydrogen. How much hydrogen is there? 6 multiplied by 2 means 12. And see, here H12, 12 oxygen is there. Means this reaction is balanced. Plants convert light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. Water, minerals and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. Means water, minerals are present in a soil and root that absorb. The steam transport them to the leaves. And what is the function of steam? To transport minerals and water to the leaves. The leaves have microscopic opening called stomata, through which they take the CO2 from the air. CO2 means, this is a formula of CO2 is a formula of carbon dioxide. Means leaves take carbon dioxide from the air. Leaves have a microscopic opening, is called as stomata. Means small holes are there to leaves, and with the help of that trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. The chloroplast present in the leaves contain chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight, means chlorophyll absorbs sunlight with the helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. Means chlorophyll is absorbing sunlight and it helps to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. Means carbon dioxide and water is converted into food, means glucose, and oxygen is going out in this process. Means trees are throwing out oxygen when they are making their own food. Besides leaves, photosynthesis takes place in some other plants like green stem too, as they contain chlorophyll. Now see here, chloroplast in leaves are given. See, this is a structure of chloroplast. This is a structure of chloroplast. Now here one question is asked. How does photosynthesis occur in dark red or purple color leaves? See, some trees leaves are dark red or purple color. That trees how make the process of photosynthesis? Their answer is, in dark red or purple color leaves, chlorophyll pigments are masked by the other colorful pigments. These pigments are capable of absorbing sunlight. Means in dark or purple color leaves, chlorophyll pigments are present by the other colorful pigments. If in green leaves, chlorophyll pigment is there, their color is green, and in other trees the color of chlorophyll pigmentation is different. These pigments are capable for absorbing sunlight. Means these pigments absorb sunlight and helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food.